Okay, to continue, this is our second case study. Okay, this is about pharmaceutical company. Okay, and it's about outsourcing also. So let us go here briefly. What we have here is environment. They have already now what currently they have annual revenues 15 to 30 billion. They have employees up to 50,000, number of major locations 10 plus, over 30 compounds on development. Mashallah, they are doing very well. Okay, so please read it, and then you should be able to answer some questions about it. Okay. Okay, next part here, issues and challenges. So these are the threats. What are the problems that they are facing? Okay, so if we ask you, what are the problems they are facing? Okay, then you need to mention these problems. Okay, first is loss of institutional knowledge, challenges and obstacles, general resistance to change. Okay. What else? Poor project management discipline to support outsourcing. These are all challenges that they are facing. Okay. Okay, so what are they planning to do? So what are the areas of outsourcing opportunities? R&D, research and design, and 50% of manufacturing will be outsourced. Other significant outsourcing opportunities being pursued: logistic, finance, legal, IT, and HR. Approach: formal sourcing processes is standardized. A structured vendor deselection process is used. Okay. Results. See here, they are talking about sourcing project management. Okay, the timelines. So the time to resolve issues within the project dependent on the buy-in of the owners to the process. How did they manage the risk? Risk was managed through discussions with the leadership team at regular staff meetings and with the head of global shared services. Okay, weekly. Also, they have done some mitigation actions, especially for high-risk activities. Did they put any controls? Yes. They have controls, and they had frequent debriefings, were generally very helpful and kept the project transition on track. So these are examples about the case study.
How will be the answers?
I told you, if they ask you what is the impact of the sourcing project management on the timeline or on risk, then you need to list it. Okay, like you will get questions like this. What is the impact? Let's say, for example, what is the impact of sourcing project management on the timeline, risk and controls? Okay. Okay, let's see. They have any governance here? Yes. What are the characteristics of the master service agreement? Okay, it is flexible, scalable, and fast to execute, and contains a number of key areas. So these are all the answers. If you want me to highlight here, you see. Yes, I told you, if you want to leave, you can leave. I will send you the link, okay, to watch the recording. All right? Thank you. I'm just giving some revision, that's all. So, what about the governance? What is the governance used? So you can see that here they talk about the governance, okay? Like if I ask you, what are the three-tier governance structure? Okay, they are mentioned here. Strategic committee, management, operation, and service management, okay? So these are the type of questions that you could be asked. Okay, do you have any questions?